Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the issue when OneDrive is stuck on sync pending. So let's get started. On the bottom right side you will find the OneDrive cloud icon. Click on that and go on settings. You will see several options here. Go on post signing and drop down the menu. Now select quit OneDrive and confirm it, and you will see the OneDrive cloud icon is disappear from the taskbar. Now go on File Explorer and select Getting Start with OneDrive folder. Now on the top of the screen you will see the Start OneDrive. Once you click on that, you have to confirm this, and that's it. You will see the cloud icon is appear again and your files are synced. Now if you still facing the issue, just restart your PC, and that's it. One of the steps should get your drive syncing again. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.